Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn CO. It is Tuesday, April 27th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day with you. Main topic on the day is obviously May corn. We needed 4 cents to close the gap overnight trade. Gave us 40 cents for a good chunk of the morning and then fell off of that. So we actually had expanded limits higher into the May corn contract, 40 cents higher, 7.20 and a half for a high today. We were higher across the board, and then we really started to struggle as we tried to decipher how big is this problem, where does demand shut off. So the May contract closed 25 cents off its high, up 15 cents on the day. December corn down 6 cents, over 30 cents off of its high for the day. And then when you look at the bean complex, beans totally started to hit it right before the close, closing down over 19 cents lower on the day. You had that 30 to 40 cents off of its high. When you look at those contracts, wheat complex, you had Chicago and Minneapolis wheat slightly lower. KC wheat traded both sides of the day, but really this main feature is how big of a problem do we have out there? Are you going to see enough of a problem with our current conditions, tight carryouts, less than favorable conditions for Brazil's second corn crop, which is their export crop? Is that enough to hold the new crop higher? It wasn't today. We look at a forecast that opens up for planting potential. It's still very early into the season. You put a lot of moisture in a lot of areas to help that subsoil moisture. And so those are the big questions we're going to have moving forward. And this market just seems so eager. It got really eager to close that gap. And what is next from here? Are we able to extend that next one? We are $1.48 and a half away from the all-time high in corn market after the close today. So that's going to be the thing, is do we extend ourselves, or is this a blow up top? When you look at the meat markets, live cattle, feeder cattle, both mixed, lean hogs mixed as well. Live cattle on the lower side of things. You did actually see that support come through to feeder cattle with corn market lower on the day, but really fizzled towards the end of the day. Outside markets slightly positive. So we'll move forward, see how crazy these markets get. As a reminder, on the close on Friday, we go to expanded limits in corn and soybeans off the get-go. So that'll be 40 cents there and $1 into the bean market without them having to close that limit higher. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and option involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.